Hello everyone, my name is Pedro Javier Guerrero. I'm a student Bachelor English and Foreign Language, and today I want to talk to you about my personal life according to the final activity step 9. In this first slide, we can see my neighborhood. My neighborhood, its name is Los Arrayanes. Los Arrayanes is located in Soledad Atlántico. This neighborhood is a little bit small because just has 3 blocks, but it's so important because it's near to the main school here in Soledad. Here the people like use this kind of transportation because they are fast and cheap. Around this area there is another important place like a supermarket, drugstore, groceries and something like that. In this another slide, I want to show you my neighbors. In the first picture, we can see to Nelson. He is my best friend with his wife. In this occasion, we were celebrating the Mom's Day. In this another picture, we can see to Javier with his wife. This another woman is my wife. In this occasion, we were celebrating his birthday. They are so friendly. Always when I need your help, they are with me. That is so important for me. Thank you guys for helping me. In this slide, I have 2 pictures. I want to show you 2 pictures. In this picture, it's me because I'm sergeant of the Colombian Navy. I have been working there for 20 years. This uniform is the uniform that the Colombian Navy used in Bogota. In this another pictures, this is another uniform that I have to use when I work, especially at night. Working in the Navy have been a great experience for me because always I wanted to join to any force, especially the Navy, because I love to help the people. That is the more important for the Colombian force. And finally, guys, I want to show you my family. In the first picture, we can see my parents. In this side, this woman is my mother. Her name is Catalina, and this man is my father. Her name is Pedro, like me. And while in these pictures, we can see my wife and my children. My wife, her name is Angie Marie. My daughter her name is Isabella, and this boy is my son. His name is Isaac. They are a great children. I love them. I love my parents. I feel very happy to have this family. Okay guys, that's all for now. I hope you enjoy my videos and see you the next time. Goodbye.